Okay, so for today, ang pag-aaralan naman natin ay ang add word family. So, una, yung ating A and letter D. Okay. So, alam na natin yung past lesson natin, activity natin yung sound, short sound ng A is A. So, A, and this letter is letter D. Ang sounds naman niya is D. D. So, ang basa natin is add. So, add. Now, kung idudugtong natin yung kanyang first onset doon sa pinost natin kanina, that is letter B. So, anong mabubuo natin? So, anong mabiblend natin na word? So, for example, i-rewrite ko lang. Okay, meron tayong A and ating D. Okay, so wait lang. Rewrite lang natin yung ating D. Masyado malayo. So, yung ating letter D. Tapos, yung kanyang onset, yung first onset is B. Remember niyo pa ba yung sound ng B? Dun sa ating at word. So, it sounds as B. B. So, ang basa natin is B add, so bad. Bad. Okay? Bad. Now, next is this letter. Okay? Ano uli ito? Okay, letter D. So, ano uli ang tunog ng D? D. D. So, this add word reads as dad. So, dad. 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 Okay? Next is yung ang ating onset na. Remember niyo pa ba ito? This is letter F. It sounds so, ang basa natin is fad. 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 Okay. Next is this letter. If you can still remember, this letter H. So, the sound of this letter is ha. So, it reads as had. 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 Okay, next is i-erase muna natin, i-rewrite lang natin silang lahat. Okay, next is this letter plus our add okay. Now this letter is L. Okay, L. It sounds L. So yung tongue natin nandun sa yung tip ng tongue natin nandun sa ating sangala-ngala. So L. 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 Okay? Ang basa niya is lad. Lad. Okay, lad. Next is wait. Sorry. Rewrite lang natin muna ito para hindi na tayo masyadong matatagalan. Okay? Our add. Okay. Next letter is this. You can still remember. You can remember. This is letter M. It sounds mm, mm. So this reads as mad, mad, mad. Okay. Next is this. Okay. This is letter. Sino nakakaalala? This letter P. So the sound of this letter is. So ang basa natin sa word na to is pad, 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 pad. Okay, next is our last add word for today. Letter. This is letter S. What's the sound? S. So it reads as sad, 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 sad. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan natin kung ano ba yung ating mga pinagsasabi, so this mad, so ito yung picture niya. So, bad. Okay? The boy is bad. Next is dad, dad. Next is fad. Okay, fad. Next is had, had. And the next one is lad, lad. And this is mad, mad, mad. And pad, pad. And the last is sad, sad, sad. Okay? I hope nag-enjoy kayo at marami kayong natutunan for today. So, visit lang kayo sa post na to para ma-practice nyo and let me know kung mayroon kayong questions. And next time, ipopost ko yung mga words na bubuo natin kung i-blend natin or i-rearrange natin yung ating at words at ang ating add words together with the base words. The base words of the at words and the base words of the add words. Good luck. Okay, thank you.